We're live. I will be cutting this I will cutting that the sunflower because it's has little bit left back there. I will cutting some so I can save for planting. They are only halfway. Oh. They eat it all. This one did not eat yet. Some other did not eating yet, but some other already eat from the birds. They are so beautiful, the birds though. Moving this water. This is heavy. Where does it will pull down my cell phone? So I'll be cutting that stuff. I've been walking a while ago. So Chuck, don't go there. Chuck, get away from there. So I cut it. I cannot see. I make that dry. I will leave some for the birds. This one is big. Do you know how to remove the skin of the sunflower? It's did not very much left. It's almost to be no more. So we'll save that. I'll make that dry and replant. Oh, this is too much, I think. So I leave some for the birds. So there's one more. This is a lot after all. The birds are keep. They're so beautiful. It's yellow and black. Well, I leave some for them. For the birds. They are many though. I leave some for them. I have plenty here. I'll make this dry and oh, they are so beautiful. I still have there that it's still flowering. I'll make this dry. They're mini. It will remove the texture of it. That's the texture. Tabi chok. That's the texture of the it kept dropping. This one. But the other one is so big. But the bird keep eating on it. But it's okay. They like it. Hey. Wait, I make mess. So they still have mini plenty in there. And I have back that way in there that it's growing. But, okay. It's nice also with this to cook. But I don't cook this. I will plant this for the birds next time too. So I'll be. I still have back that way. That no, this has plenty on it. Still have. Oh, cannot be. I still have plenty in here. Yeah, that's beautiful. And there's many in here. You see that? The birds like this. So it keep dropping. This look beautiful. The birds like that. This one is almost no more. They eat a lot. And I still have here that has a huge flower too. That look beautiful. Oh wow, I like it. But and I still have back that way too. There. But I did not point to. It's point to the fence. And this one is like this one. It's big. But it's not. Oh, look at the bee. Huh. This one did not bloom yet. And this one also. And I still have back there in here that did not bloom yet too. And I also have here that's almost blooming. I have been mowing the other day. My hands is hurt. See this? Oh, look beautiful. But some of them are the bird eats. Oh, the bird eat with lots of fruits. The birds eating this. See that? The birds eat. And this in here too. It's everywhere that they eat. The birds are happy to my plants. See? The birds eat it. Halfway. See that too? They like it. And this one is start to have fruit too. And this. Chuck! Chuck, come here. I have treat for you. The dog is go to the inside to the stuff. Don't go in there. I will be drying this one. So, Chuck, don't go there. Hey, hey, come here. Oh no, she's getting another tomatoes. Hey, go there. Chuck. You'll dry. Oh, let's go, Chuck. Let's go. I make her in because she's keep getting the tomatoes. I need to sweep in here because I make mess. I supposed to cut in the last part. Oh no, shoot. There's no signal.